Hello everyone, my name is Elizabeth Garcia, and today I will present the final work entitled MPS Translation Services Procurement for the class PRM 615 Project Procurement Management, Section D1, taught by the Professor Thomas Shipman. Agenda. In this presentation, you will see all the details related to the request for proposal, along with a description of procurement, a submission guideline, the format requested, and an evaluation criteria. Furthermore, a statement of work will be exposed along with the technical requirements and the deliverables of the project. Afterward, you will see the other side of the coin. A proposal is presented with the following sections: an executive summary, a management section, a technical section, a cost section, and a project schedule. Finally, there's a conclusion that recaps the entire presentation. Submission guideline. The request for proposal item includes a transmitter letter, an executive summary, and a management section. As for the transmitter letter, the supplier shall include the logo of the company in the upper left side of the page, along with the name, address, and telephone number. Below the logo, the supplier shall include the name of the project manager and the full address of the company of interest. The transmitter letter shall include an identification number in a bold text, and in the body of the letter, the supplier shall explain their proposal in a concise manner and include the names and contacts of the authorized individuals to negotiate on behalf of the company. Moreover, the supplier shall state when the company is ready to begin operations and provide a date of expiration valid for the proposal. Executive summary. The executive summary shall be a concise description of why your services are most appropriate for the customer. This part of the request of proposal shall be written in English. The executive summary shall not be longer than 3 pages. Nonetheless, the main purpose is to convey the message. If the supplier decides to include any type of graphics, they shall be focused on advancing the business case of high quality and high resolution, and they shall include captions to explain how they are related to the test they are supporting. The management section shall include all staffing requirements, site preparations responsibility, delivery and installation schedule and plan, system acceptance test requirements, system training requirement, and documentation requirements. The technical section. 2 months prior to the start of the day of the project, the supplier shall attend a kickoff meeting with the MPS and the Translation Department Services key team members to discuss details regarding the tasks outlined in the proposal, study design review, schedule milestone, supplier services, and other issues related to the contract. This meeting shall be via telephone, conference call, or in person and occur no later than 1 week after the contract award. The supplier shall work with the MPS and Translation Department Services key team members to develop an agenda for the meeting, which shall be finalized at least 5 days in advance for the meeting. The next section is cost. The pricing section gives supplier a format to follow when pricing the proposals. In this section, the supplier shall provide all the information related to cost in an Excel and a Microsoft Project file. Furthermore, it is fundamental to include a section dedicated to the types of contract along with agreements, performance bonds, and warranty periods. Format. Again, this is a recap of all the details that should be included in the request for proposal. The deadline for that documentation is May 20, 2019, in or before 5 p.m. Central Time. They should include the logo of the company, include an ID number in the upper left side, and the document shall be submitted electronically in PDF format at garcia.mps.k12@milwaukee.edu. Evaluation criteria. All proposals shall be reviewed and rated by MPS and the Translation Department Services key team members. Proposal might be disqualified if they are not received on time, if the proposal does not follow the format specified in this document, and if the format is not adequate for the key team members. MPS and the Translation Department Services reserve the right to make an award without providing further details. As for the first one, cost volume. The suppliers are graded on their ability to provide the low-cost solution while maintaining required quality, and it has a total of 30 points. Technical volume. This technical volume is evaluated against the statement of work to see if the supplier effectively described their approach for executing this project. This section has a total of 30 points. The management volume. This volume is evaluated to see how the supplier intends to manage and execute the project, and it has a total of 20 points. And finally, the past performance evidences relevant projects to the one requested in this proposal, and it has a total of 20 points. Statement of work. The supplier shall provide software package with teleconferencing capacity. The supplier shall provide 5 laptops and 5 iPads with software installed. The supplier shall provide a private exhibition of similar products. Also develop and document all system requirements. Statement of work continuation. The supplier shall deliver implementations and installation at MSL, the previous school, and room 225 at central offices. The supplier shall provide a risk management plan, project assumption, and change control. And finally, the supplier shall provide support key staff member for 12 months, the duration of the contract, and provide training of software. Deliverables. The first one is a statement of work and proposal submission. The date is scheduled for May 20th, 2019, and the time duration is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and the document shall be sent by email. Risk management plan and project documents. It is scheduled for May 20th, 2019, time duration from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and the document shall be sent by email as well. Pre-award is scheduled for June 2nd, 2019, and the pre-award will be communicated via email. Kickoff meeting. Kickoff meeting is scheduled for June 3rd, 2019, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., and it will be at the central office, room 225. The contract award is scheduled for June 14, 2019, and it will be communicated via email, as well as the project starts the same date, June 14, 2019, and it will be communicated via email. And finally, the last two deliverables, installation of software and training of software. Installation of software will be June 24, 2019, from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. at central offices, and the training of software June 24, 2019, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the central offices as well. Proposal. The Translation Software Services project received a bid from the company Sorbix Technologies Incorporated. Sorbix, founded in 1998, is a Milwaukee software development company and IT consulting firm created to provide top-notch IT consulting services and custom software development solutions. Our clients, new and long-term alike, come to us for quality delivery that is above and beyond any of our competitors. We believe in hiring only the best talent that exceeds expectations and deliver quality solutions both on time and within budget. When combined with our flexible choice of platforms and wide range of services, our company provides a total package that has the ability to meet any of your organization's technology needs. Proposal. The proposal contains an executive summary that should have the following details: experience, background, stakeholder, and an agreement. Sorbix have more than 19 years in business and counts with a small but dedicated and reliable team that always strives to meet the client's expectations and deliver high-quality products. Our team proposed a remarkable offer that, without any doubt, stands out from what the competition can beat. Sorbix not only saves MPS thousands of dollars but also provides 2 additional devices at no cost. We believe our careful approach creates a quality, trustworthy system that set us apart from the rest. Proposal Management section. In this section, we provide a RACI chart, responsibility assignment matrix, with all the activities and roles offered by Sorbix Technology Inc. As for the first one, in the project leadership, there's an executive sponsor. The second one are composed by the project team members, which are the project manager and the resource manager. Third one is the project subteams, which are composed by the senior architect, the lead developer, and the senior developer, and finally the external resources, which are the project stakeholders. As for the first activity is the software development document. Then we have the system application software test data integration document, test analysis report, a conversion plan, implementation plan, operation manuals, system manual, administration manual, release notes, maintenance manual, training plan, user manual, and the risk management plan and assumptions. Proposal. The technical section usually includes the following items: the system requirement development, the software package, the devices needed, service product and presentation, implementation and installation delivery, a training and functionality workflows, the monitoring and maintenance, a risk management and assumptions, and the project control. Proposal cost section. Here we have a Excel data with all the costs that compose the project. As for the first one is the statement of work and proposal submission, the risk management plan submission, the statement of work revision, proposal revision, risk management plan revision, the pre-award, kickoff meeting, the contract award announcement, when the project starts, installation and training of the software, as well as the weekly status meeting. In the second part of the table, we have the risk management plan, a proposal revision, a risk management plan and project documents, and as well all the weekly meetings and the training of software, installation of software, training of software, and finally installation of software, installation of laptops, installation of tablets with a total cost of $61,520. In the next table, we can see the project labor and material cost. The resources are the project manager, the resource manager, the software instructor, IT technician, and the materials are the translation software, laptops, and tablets with a total cost of $61,520. Proposal project schedule. As for the first one, we have the kickoff, which is scheduled for June 3rd, 2019 from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The second one is a software installation scheduled for June 3rd, 2019 from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Next, we have the training, which is scheduled for the same day, June 3rd, 2019 from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And finally, the maintenance, which is scheduled for the duration of the contract from June 3rd until January 24th of 2020. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have the request for proposal, statement of work, and finally the proposal. As for the first one, the request for proposal is more than a useful document that allows suppliers to know whether they can meet all the requirements requested and fulfill the needs of the project. The suppliers can send a proposal if they have the product required, a software with teleconference capacity, and the experience needed to successfully deliver and implement the project. The proposal guidelines contain key information about the format and all the technical information that needs to be addressed in a specific manner. Therefore, it is fundamental to pay attention to the details required in that section. The statement of work is more than a mere description of services and products for a project. The statement of work is a magnificent tool that ensures that a buyer and a supplier have a mutual understanding of all the terms and conditions. And finally, the proposal is all the documents related for the vendor in order to win the contract, which shall include an executive summary, a management section, technical section, the cost section, and the project schedule. This is all the presentation for MPS and the Translation Services Department. Thank you so much for watching.